Every premium leather product begins long before the factory floor, with care, respect, and a commitment to quality.
All zones clear. Morning routine starting.
Yep, she's healthy. Same ID tag, same pattern.
Let's start with hydration levels and feed balance.
Nice and easy. Keep the flow steady.
Batch A complete. Nutrient ratio perfect.
Feed lanes ready, safe. Open the gates slowly. Perfect airflow. Helps temperature regulation. Water pressure normal. Maintain temperature at 15 degrees Celsius.
Let them walk 15 minutes. Keeps muscles active.
Cooling system helps maintain stress-free environment.
This keeps the barn sterile 24/7.
We need to ensure the staging area is clear for the next group.
The thermal scanners are ready at Station 4.
Good, let's keep the flow steady and calm.
We need to ensure documentation accuracy before proceeding. Absolutely, and the next step, cleanliness protocols are crucial here.
We have confirmed Lot 45B is fully compliant with the salting SOP.
Noted. I am logging it now.
Scan complete. Logging batch 47.
Confirmed.
Maintaining this precise level is crucial. We must ensure ideal pre-tanning moisture to prevent.
Keep an eye on the water temperature. It's critical for the rinse.
I know, I'm monitoring the pH balance closely.
We need to adjust the airflow direction here.
And monitor the humidity closely as they enter the tunnel.
The camera picked up that scarring.
Yeah, confirmed. It's tagged as a grade B.
Final cleanliness check before pre-tanning.
Yeah. 30 seconds ensures sterile surfaces. Once this is on, the batch is fully trackable. Perfect, that's the transparency we need.
And verified. It shows up in the system immediately.
These crates must reach the pre-tanning drums within 20 minutes
To retain ideal moisture.
Keep pushing. Bring it right up to the line. It's heavy. Almost there. Okay, hold it steady now. Batch 47A entering soak cycle.
Conducting double-check moisture index.
The key is the hydration process. We tumble them gently to ensure the softness of the final leather.
Feed line A stabilized at 7.2 pH. Good for swelling control.
Liming loosens the fiber and prepares for hair removal. Fully clean, no harmful visuals.
The fibers are loosening exactly as expected at this reaction point.
Agreed. The swelling indicates good penetration.
The mechanical brushes are doing a great job removing the hair.
Absolutely, the surface cleanness is exactly what we need.
We reduce alkalinity now, critical for softness.
We need to ensure the temperature stays precisely at 30 degrees Celsius for optimal activity.
Got it. It's holding steady.
Viscosity is holding steady at 250.
Flow rate looks good. We can log that now.
Pickling stabilizes collagen for tanning. Hit it.
Tight.
Essential step.
pH at 2.8, perfect for chrome tanning absorption later.
Batch Chrome 12DC is ready. Set the feed pressure to constant flow.
Check penetration rate. Yes, chrome full absorbing into fibers.
Huh?
The temperature is stabilizing right at the target range. Noted. Fiber binding looks successful.
pH is stable at 5.1. Perfect. Move to retanning.
Strength index improved.
Good. Make sure softness remains. Don't over-retan.
Brown shade 4B, confirm consistency.
Confirmed. Load dyes now.
Cycle 3 starting targeting, keep pressure at 20 millibars.
Make sure corners are tight. Avoid edge waves.
Moisture at 14%. Good for staking.
Softness index reached 92, perfect. Send to buffing.
Smooth, fibers settled perfectly. No burn marks, no over dry patches. All right, move it to coating.
Pattern stable. Pressure 9.8 bar. Keep the sweep consistent.
Shade B4 confirmed. Match it with lot 120. We need identical tone across the full run.
Coverage 100%. All edges coated. Prepare for top coat.
This batch gets a semi-matte protective coat. Keep the gloss rating below 22 units.
Gloss rating below 22 units.
The temperature is holding steady at 75. Pressure reached 90 bar.
Looks good. The curve is stable.
Perfect depth. No double impressions, no slip marks. Approve this batch.
Batch 120 delivered. Begin digital mapping.
Software calibrated, mapping ready. Move to auto patterning.
Projected alignment confirmed. Efficiency at 94.3%. Lock it.
Quality check complete. Send these to skiving.
Thickness target, 0.9 millimeters on all edges. Set feed to 12 meters per minute. Perfect softness. This will stitch clean. Curve locked. Maintain 2.8 millimeter spacing. Good, good.
Strong weave, 0 thread slips.
Solid seal, 配线, perfect.
All parts match batch 120. Send for assembly.
Corners tight, keep the angle steady.
Batch 120 inches, starter surface prep.
Surface clear, no micro debris.
Look at that grain pop, beautiful finish.
Polish line on point, continue.
Coat thickness, 7 microns. Perfect for durability.
Open the inspection interface. Start dimensional checks.
Batch 120 stable, good engineering.
Temperature holding at 180 degrees Celsius. Seal line clean, no micro tears. Pallet 4 complete, strap it, and send to dispatch.
We respect every step from the animal to the art. Quality isn't made, it's crafted.